All right, when we're graphing lines, we talk about the slope. That tells us how steep is our line. And you can think of slope used in the real world would be the steepness or the pitch of a roof, the steepness of a ramp. So for a wheelchair, it has to be a certain steepness according to code. Same thing for a roof. So those are just a couple examples of when we use slope. So slope tells you the number of units a line moves vertically. For each unit, it moves horizontally. It is basically a rate of change. So how fast are things changing, or how slowly are they changing, that compares change in y over change in x. And we think of it sometimes as rise over run. How far up or down are you moving over how far right or left are you moving? So the equation for finding the slope of 2 points, and I just labeled them x1, y1 for the first point and x2, y2 for the second point, is m for slope equals, subtract your 2y values, that's where you get the change in y, so y2 minus y1 over change in x, so subtract your 2x values, x2 minus x1. So remember, if I have 2 points, x1, y1, and x2, y2, my slope is telling me the change in y, so that is this rise, showing that's a straight line, over my change in x, that's my run. So that's what the slope is telling me, rise over run.